Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download pictures from Pinterest on a PC. I opened Pinterest on my computer the other day because I needed to quickly grab an image for a project. So I log into my account and use the search bar to find exactly what I was looking for. Then I scroll through the results until I found a pin I like and click on it so it would open in a larger view. And when it's expanded, I hovered over the image and look for the three dot more actions menu where Pinterest usually places download options. Then I selected the download image option and confirmed the saved prompt so it could be stored directly on my device. And after that, the image was ready in my downloads folder within seconds, which honestly makes the whole process really convenient as long as you also keep in mind that many Pinterest images are copyrighted. So it's always best to use them responsibly and avoid commercial use unless you have permission from the creator. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.